Actually, I'm liking 3 of them, but I'm gonna go with 2. So Casual Economist, I'm sorry, you're gonna get a honorable mention. I really like Can't Pay Up. But give me a 1 for Cats Playing Ukulele, or give me a 2 for Clown Protects Unicycle. I like that one too. Actually, that's a good prom too, right? Somebody put those proms in ChatGPT. Cats Playing Ukulele and Clown Protects Unicycle. They'd probably be hilarious, right? So give me a 1 for Cats Playing Ukulele. Give me a 2 for Clown Protects Unicycle. All right, cats are taking an early lead. Cats are ahead by 2. Cats are ahead by 3. Ahead by 4. I think that might be that might be enough to win. Okay, Cats wins. Yeah, that's more than enough votes for Cats. So Tarun is our first time attendee. He just joined a few minutes ago. And he wins the round with Cats Playing Ukulele. I love it. Great entry, Tarun. Welcome. Lots of votes in the chat for you, right? People loved it. Solid entry for sure. All right, guys, here's the next one. VS. Tarun says, proud moment. You should. It is a proud moment. You're getting the adoration from your fellow data scientists. Rahul says, I like cats. Yeah, cats can be cool. I still have a little bit of an allergy to them. You know, I've been exposed enough to cats where like my allergy is like less and less. But you know, cats are cool. You know what I like about cats? Cats you can leave alone for the weekend, right? Just make sure they have enough water and food and a place to go to the bathroom. You can leave them for the weekend, no big deal, right? Can't do that with a dog, you know? So cats have that advantage. Patrick says, welcome, Tarun. Yeah, absolutely. Welcome, Tarun. Oh, I like that one, Rohan. Victory Supremacy. That sounds like a Marvel movie, right? Like you know how like they do like the taglines at the end of movies, like so that could be like, you know, like the next Joker movie, right? Like what's his girlfriend? Oh, I forgot the girlfriend's name, right? But it could be like, you know, Joker, Victory Supremacy. I like that one. Vanilla Sunday, nice. Keeping with the food themes, huh? Again with the food themes, guys. Violet Sunrise, nice. Nice. I like the imagery that creates. That's also a good ChatGPT prompt. Somebody put that in ChatGPT. Rahul going with very scared. Okay. Void start. Okay, nice. VS is the current word, guys. VS. Vampire sheep. Okay, I like that imagery too. Another good prompt. Oh, I didn't highlight. Sorry, that was vampire sheep. Vegetable symphony. Last call for VS. Rahul is liking Deadlord's entry of vampire sheep. That's a strong entry. Strong entry. Yassine with vanishing stimulus. We're talking about inflation. We're talking about vanishing stimuluses. And we have somebody named Casual Economist here. So it's a very economic oriented game today. Rahul with vegetable soup. All right. Anybody else? Last call for VS. I think this one might be a vote also, guys. We might have another vote on our hands. Very sleepy. Okay. We might have another vote on our hands. Vertical sounds. All right. I'm liking two of them. I think we need to vote for, give me a 1 for Victory Supremacy, or give me a 2 for Violet Sunrise. 1 for Victory Supremacy, or a 2 for Violet Sunrise. I like the imagery of both of those, right? All right. There's a tie. We're currently tied. Violet Sunrise takes a lead by 1. Leading by 2. No, I'm sorry. Leading by 1. Sorry. Give me a 1 for Victory Supremacy or a 2 for Violet Sunrise. Okay, Violet Sunrise is ahead by 2 now. Last call for votes. It's only ahead by 2 now. Last call. All right. I'm declaring Violet Sunrise the winner. Who was that? That was Patrick, our moderator, Patrick. So shout out to Patrick for winning that round. Violet Sunrise. I like the imagery that creates. All right, guys. Ready for the next round?